Every month, our salary arrives, and within days, it vanishes. Rent, groceries, online shopping, food delivery, all gone before we realize it. But what if saving money didn't mean giving up the things you love? In this video, we'll explore 10 proven ways to save money every month and still enjoy life the smart way. You can't save what you can't see. The first step is tracking every rupee you spend. Use free apps like Walnut or Money Manager or a simple spreadsheet. When you see your spending clearly, saving becomes easy. Divide your income smartly: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. The simple math but powerful discipline. Follow it for 3 months and you'll see real results. Set up auto transfers to your savings or investment account right after your salary arrives. That way you spend what's left, not save what's left. Small leaks can sink big ships. Cancel unused subscriptions, streaming apps, gym memberships, or random trials. Review your expenses once a month to stop hidden costs from silently draining your income. Cashback isn't cheap. It's smart. Use reward points, payment app offers, and discount coupons for essential purchases. But remember, buy what you need, not what's on sale. Eating out 5 times a week can burn a hole in your wallet. Try cooking at home. It's cheaper, healthier, and fun. Even replacing one restaurant meal a week can save you thousands a month. By now, pay later sounds good until the bills pile up. Avoid easy EMIs unless it's for true necessities. Financial peace comes from freedom, not debt. Saving is just the first step. Let your money grow. Start a SIP, open a recurring deposit, or explore mutual funds. Even 500 Indian rupees a month can turn into a strong future. Saving money isn't about being cheap, it's about being smart. When you manage your money, you control your life. Start small today, and your future self will thank you tomorrow. This is Finance Planet, your world of smart money.